Learn English. The sentence. A sentence is a group of words which expresses a complete thought. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark, depending on the nature and meaning of the sentence. A sentence must contain a subject and a finite verb. In order to check whether you have a subject, ask who or what before the verb. This subject may be replaced with a pronoun, for example he, she or it. The boy plays. Who plays? He plays. A sentence may be divided into a subject and a predicate. 1. The subject. The subject reflects who or what we are talking about. 2. The predicate. The predicate is the rest of the sentence. 3. Analyzing the predicate. In a fuller analysis, the predicate can be divided onto verb, direct object, and indirect object. 3. Analyzing the predicate. In a fuller analysis, the predicate can be divided onto verb, direct object, and indirect object. Direct object answers who or what after the verb. Indirect object always tells you to whom, what or for whom, what after the direct object. Please look at the table below for the examples of analyzing the predicate. The dog brought the ball to his master. Matrick opens doors for the future. He gave an apple to his teacher. The teacher gave A's to her student. The pirate sold a boat to me. Down below in the comment section write down analyzing the predicate example. Thank you for watching and subscribe to learn English for more videos.